Hey, what's up guys? This is Jert and welcome back to my channel. And today, nandito tayo ngayon sa bahay para magawa ng Watson's Haul. So last Saturday is merong event ang Watson sa SMX Lanang for the World of Wellness. So in-invite ako ng Watsons na pumunta doon to attend the event and they just gave me this bunch of stuff. So actually, I need to do this type of content. It's my first time to do a haul kasi deserving siya gawing haul kasi ang dami niyang laman, guys. Grabe. I wasn't expecting na ganito siya kadaming ibibigay nila. So, I'm going to share you guys kung ano ang laman nitong Watson's paper bag. So, but before that, before we're going to start this video, let's go ahead and watch muna kung ano yung nangyari sa event. And yun nga yung nangyari sa event. And before we're going to start and ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman ng Watson's paper bag na ito, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more adventures to come. So let's go ahead and start. So first is this one. This Neoset. Ano to? Okay. Tissue paper. It's a tissue paper. Okay, from Neoset. Next is eto. Wow, a pouch from Kanze's. Magagamit ko to. So, put some stuff and for organizing na mga gamit ko. Thank you. And then next is this one. Ano to? Emergency kit. So, buksan natin. Buksan natin kung ano yung laman. Ang cute. Ayan. So, plastic. It's a plastic emergency kit. Ayun na, magpabukas. Ayun. So, okay. So, meron ito. Okay. Then, Band-Aids. Magagamit ko to. Sobra. And gauge pads. That. And then, ano to? Alcohol pad. That's my first time to have this alcohol pad. And then last one is cotton. So, it's very useful. Magagamit ko to sa travel. Thank you very much. So, next natin, ililigpit natin ng maayos para... So, this one is from Fusidin. Thank you very much, Fusidin. Okay, next item is Calpol, pambata. Ayan. May nakakontrata na to, guys. May humingi na ito pang ng Calpol, pambata. So, ipi-PM lang kita para sa baby mo to. And then, next is Paracetamol Biogesic, pambata ulit. Parang ang dami kong pagbili ng bata ngayon, ah. Okay. Another Calpol na pambata. Ayan. Teka lang, di mag-focus. Ayan. Then, next is Conzace. Ito yung laman niya. Ito. Conzace. Isang tablet ng Conzace sample. Ayan. Next is plastic strip from Dolan. Ano ito? Tingnan natin. Okay. Isa siyang Band-Aid. Band-Aid from Dolan. Thank you very much. Lalagay ko to sa emergency kit. Okay. Next is, ano to? Wala siyang brand. Sa natin. Ay. Ano to? Galing sa Revicon. Revicon Forte. So, isa siyang anong gagawin? So, meron siyang ball pen at saka knife. Ayun. So, meron siyang ball pen, meron siyang dalawang knife at saka may ilaw siya. Wow. Ganda naman. Magagamit ko to somewhere else or sa travel ko. Another item for my travel. So, next is Propantial syrup. Pambata na naman. So, this is an orange flavor. Nakatikim na ako dati nito eh. Masarap to. Next. Salon. Salon pa. Sobrang gamit to, guys. Kasi this past few days, every day, lagi kaming nagpa-practice ng sayaw for our sports fest sa company namin. So, gamit na gamit to. Magagamit ko talaga to. Thank you very much, Salon Pass. Another Salon Pass. So, ito, Chairfer Premium para sa mga katulad ko na gusto pang tumangkad, and hopefully tumangkad pa talaga tayo, guys. So, this is a free sample. And then, meron na namang Calpol na pambata. Another Calpol. Thank you very much, Calpol. Ang daming binigay. Grabe. And then, meron pa sa Salon Pass. Another Salon Pass. Ito parang parehas lang. Ito. Dr. Wong Sulfur Soap. Ito. Para sa mga taong sensitive yung balat. Useful talaga to. 4. Thank you very much, Dr. Wong Sulfur. And then, MX3. Taran! MX3. Anong laman ito? Bakit naka-envelope? Saan natin? Okay. 2 tablets of MX3 per envelope. Thank you very much. Ano pa? Meron pang pamphlets. Ay, ano to? Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay. next item is another Papan TLC. Yo, thank you very much. This is Papan TLC drops. Pambata ulit. And Cetaphil. Grabe. Ito yung pang face and body dry sensitive skin. So, gentle skin cleanser. So, thank you very much. Magagamit ko to. Malakas mo ka David Gison ito. Okay, thank you very much. Cetaphil. Okay, next item is Nizoral. Hey, Nizoral cream. Para saan to? Para sa Buni, An-an, Hadhad, and Alipunga. Kung sino mang kailangan ito. At parang kailangan ko ito minsan. Medyo bumabaho yung pako sa whole day na nasa labas. The next, let's go to the next item. Uy, meron pang Cetaphil. Thank you very much. Ito. Spike. Dietary supplement. Okay, dietary supplement from Spike. Tada. Thank you very much. Ano pa? Dami. Ang dami talagang laman, guys. Grabe. Parang wala pa ako sa kalahati. And then next one is from Neurogen E for vitamin B complex and vitamin E. Wow. Vitamins. Thank you very much. Parang gagamitin ko pa. And then this one. Ito pang adult. Para sa akin na talaga to. It's Papan TLC for adult. Papan TLC Papan Fit. Okay, ito yung tablet niya, guys. Gamit na gamit. Ito mini. Meron ito. Pakitan ito. This one is from Enervon. Yeah, Enervon. Where energy is happy. Sarap. So, Enervon Active. Ito. Dalawang tablet ng Enervon Active. Thank you very much. And then, next. Ano to? It's Super Scent Oil Spiromatic. Para siyang for spa. Thank you very much. This is from Rhea Company. Mag-focus ka. Ayan. Eto. Okay. Lakas mo ka beauty vlogger ito. Okay. Ito. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Regrow. Tong Regrow na to is it's an hair growth product. Ito siya. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung tinest nila sa akin, guys. Sobrang lipis na talaga ng buhok ko. And it's really advisable daw na mag-take ako ng Regrow, which is good for 6 months para tumubo ulit naturally yung buhok ko. But yeah, hopefully, sana. Thank you very much for this sample, Regrow. And then, let's go to the next one. Meron tayong bowler from Fusidin. Bowler from Fusidin. Another one is ano to? Cetirizine Alert Kit from Alert Kit. Ayan. Meron another one. Parang visa? Okay. Parang bata nito. Okay. So, nagamit ko ulit siya, guys, for my travel. Thank you very much, Alert Kid, for this. Next is meron naman ang tablet. This is from hindi ko siya mabasa. Basta it's a glutamic acid from Pascual Lab. Thank you very much. Okay, so eto. Ano to? Let's open this tote bag. Saan galing pa? Ang dami ko ng ganito guys, yung tote bag na ganito. So, woke up like this, naka stress tabs. Oh, okay. From stress tabs, woke up like this. Lakas. Lakas ng statement. Ang ganda mo, girl. Okay, thank you very much for that. Next is, ano to? Oh, another salon pass. This is for me. Thank you very much, salon pass. Okay, ano pa ba? Meron tayong ascorbic acid. For adult vitamin C plus zinc. Thank you very much, ascorbic acid. And then another ascorbic acid from Potency. Lakas Macabea Alonso. Okay. Next is to. Ito yung kanina. Yung tablet from ito yung tablet kanina from Glotopus. Okay, thank you very much. Another item here is another MX3. Thank you very much, MX3. Parang dami pang papel. Sige. Cherfer. Para sa good for 10 to 22 years old. So, may pagbibigyan ako nito para tumangkad siya. Okay, next is ito. This is from Roche. Ano to? Parang this will detect yung kung diabetic free ka ba, and sa test na ginawa nila sa akin is normal ako. So ito yung apparatus na ginamit nila sa akin. So hindi ako diabetic based from test nila. So thank you very much, Lord. Mahirap magka-diabetes, guys. Grabe. And then parang konti na lang yung laman. Okay, tingnan muna natin. So this is another AD plus ADZ, another ascorbic acid. Thank you very much. And then okay, meron pa ba? So this is Lysit E vitamin, so C alpha. Thank you very much. So we're down to the last two items na guys. And this one. Listerine, ang laki. Thank you very much. Magagamit ko to kasi medyo may amoy yung bibig ko pag umaga. Thank you very much, Listerine. Gamit na gamit to sa akin. And our last item is this. Ano to? Saan natin? Ano to? Facial tissue. Tadang! So it's facial tissue from Watson. So thank you very much, guys. Gamit to sa office. Mahilig mag-tissue. Thank you very much. Ang last na to is wala na. Eto. Notebook na lang. From Canon. Thank you very much, Canon pala. Napasingit lang. Maiba lang. Binigay ito ng Canon nung last event nung na-meet ko si Sky Quezon at saka si Raisa Contawi. Thank you very much, Canon, for this one. Ang ganda niya. Grabe. So, yan. Yun na po lahat. Yay! Wala nang laman. So, thank you very much, Watsons, for inviting me in your event. And, yeah, ang dami kong natutunan actually sa event na yun. Especially, nakarelate ako sa stress topic, yung fit to work. Kasi, working in a BPO company, talaga namang nakaka-stress, yung baliktad yung mundo mo, natutulog ka sa umaga instead na sa gabi, then yung activities mo hindi din regular. Kaya yun nga, yung advice is talagang you should take time for yourself na i-release yung stress. Kung ano man yung nagpapasaya sa'yo, gawin mo kung may free time ka para hindi ka ma-stress at para gumaan yung feeling mo while working. Kasi hindi naman tayo mayaman para di tayo or aalis sa trabaho pag napagod na tayo, di ba? So just look for anything na nakakapag-relax sa'yo, pa-massage, travel, and bonding with your friends. So yun yung mga tips na binigay para mawala yung stress natin sa buhay. So thank you very much again, Watsons, for all these items. Grabe guys. So kita ko lang sa inyo gano'n siya karami. Ayan, ang gulo-gulo. Ayan. So thank you very much again, Watsons, for inviting me in your event. Hopefully next year na naman for the World of Realness. And thank you also, DDI, for giving me this opportunity to be in that event. And yeah, that's all for today, guys. Hopefully na kahit walang sense to, nag-haul lang talaga ako. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga items na nakuha ko. And yeah, thank you very much, by the way, for subscribing to my channel. And we're almost reaching na the 1,000 subscribers. Sana tulungan nyo ako makuha yung goal na yon. And I'm very, very thankful each of you na nanonood lagi ng vlog ko. Kahit minsan parang puros event lang, kahit ano-ano, random lang yung mga vlog ko, but still, thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. Ayun, no? So yeah, again, don't forget to hit the like button kung gusto nyo yung video na to, and again, subscribe for more videos and adventures to come. Yun lang po. Have a great day. Bye!